Vincent said, "Making a W logo in Canva is difficult. But I'll prove it's actually simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a stunning W gradient logo. Fast, easy, and professional. So, let's dive in. CANVOO. First, go to the Elements menu. Then, select the rectangle shape. Adjust the size to 45 by 200 pixels. Next, tilt it to a position of -15 degrees. Then, duplicate it twice. Rotate one of them to 15 degrees. Then, position it on the right like this. Try to be as precise as possible when connecting one element to another. For the next step, we just duplicate the first rectangle. Position it as shown in the example. And duplicate the second rectangle to create the last part of the letter W. Place it as shown in the example. Once it looks like this, we can select the square shape from the element menu. Change the color to white. Then, tilt it 15 degrees. Position it at the bottom and top of the W logo we have created. This is to tidy it up and ensure that the top and bottom of the logo are tilted at 15 degrees. Now, set the color to a gradient. Set the gradient to run from top to bottom like this. Do the same for the other elements. Note, the gradient still looks rough in this area. To make it smoother, you can adjust the layers like this. And here's the result. And that's it. We've just created a clean and professional W gradient logo in Canva. Super simple, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to CANVOO for more logo design tips and Canva tricks, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.